Hi, Kaune. We've got about 56 words to get through in this week. So the first sound we are looking at is the CE sound. You will see where we have color-coded CE in green. It sounds like S, or it sounds like S for circle, which we know that S for circle makes the same sound as the letter S, which sounds like S for snake. So our color coding represents the green CE sounds like S, where you can only hear the S for circle and the E is silent. So S, 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 and S, right? So that's the green one. And then let's talk about the purple color coding for CE. So we've got the purple color coding for CE, where the difference is that with the green one, we've said that the C sounds like S for circle and the E is silent. So together, the C and the E read as S. But in the purple one, we have the letter C where it makes a sound that we can hear, S, and the letter E where it also makes a sound that we can hear, E. So the sound here is S, E. The C makes a sound, the E makes a sound. The S makes a sound, the E makes a sound. The S makes a sound and the E makes a sound. The S makes a sound and the E makes a sound. Okay, so here it sounds like S, E. 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 Okay, and then you'll notice that we have one odd blue one here where we still have CE next to each other, but the letter C is silent and then the E makes a sound. So here, the sound that we can hear is E because there's a cross under the E and the E is silent, okay? So now we're going to go through those words. I'll make the sound as well as go through the spelling. I am going to move rather fast because we have a lot of words to get through. The word is advice. Advice. The sounds A, D, V, I, S. Advice. The spelling A-D-V-I-C-E. Advice. A-D-V-I-C-E. Advice. Sounds sl, I, s. Slice. Spelling S-L-I-C-E. Slice. S-L-I-C-E. Slice. D-I-C-E. Dice. Spelling D-I-C-E. Dice. D-I-C-E. Dice. D-I-S. Grace. Disgrace. Spelling D-I-S-G-R-A-C-E. Disgrace. D-I-S-G-R-A-C-E. Disgrace. F-A-C-E. Face. Spelling F-A-C-E. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. I can't remember if I spelled disgrace, so I'm going to spell it again. D-I-S-G-R-A-C-E. Disgrace. D-I-S-G-R-A-C-E. Disgrace. F-A-C-E. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. Sounds trace. Trace. Spelling T-R-A-C-E. Trace. T-R-A-C-E. Trace. Ice. Ice. Spelling I-C-E. Ice. I-C-E. Ice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Spelling R-I-C-E. Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Twice. twice. Spelling Twice, twice. Twice, twice. Nice, nice. Spell Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Place, place. Spell Place, place. Place, place. Race, race. Spell Race, race. Race, race. Okay, so here we have k, n, s, e, l. Cancel. When you cancel, when you do not stick to your plans anymore, you cancel them. And we spell it C-A-N-C-E-L, cancel. C-A-N-C-E-L, cancel. C-E-M-E-N-T, cement. You build, you use cement when you build. Spelling C-E-M-E-N-T, cement. C-E-M-E-N-T, cement. Choice, choice. C-H-O-I-C-E, choice. C-H-O-I-C-E, choice. Balance, balance. B-A-L-A-N-C-E, balance. B-A-L-A-N-C-E, balance. Entrance, entrance. E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E, entrance. E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E, entrance. Ambulance, ambulance. This should have a smiley face because it sounds like the name of the letter. Ambulance, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. F-E-N-C, fence. F-E-N-C-E, fence. F-E-N-C-E, fence. M-I-N-C, mince. M-I-N-C-E, mince. M-I-N-C-E, mince. N-E-S, niece. N-I-E-C-E, niece. N-I-E-C-E, niece. O-F-I-C, office. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. We are using a borrowed sound for the letter O. The letter O in this word is going to sound like wa, wa, wa. So the sound we hear for the letter O is wa, and then n, and then s. So the sounds are wa, n, s, once. And spelling O-N-C-E, once. O-N-C-E, once. P-E-ace, piece, as in a piece of cake. P-I-E-C-E, peace. P-I-E-C-E, peace. Princess, princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. S-E-N-T, cent. As in, I have never seen a 1 cent coin before. C-E-N-T, cent. E-X-E-P-T, except. E-X-C-E-P-T, except. S-E-N-T-E-N-S, sentence. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence. P-E-S, peace. P-E-A-C-E, peace.